Hello friends, this is Introduction Part 2 of Chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaters, in which kinds of quadrilaterals and their properties have been described. So let us begin with kinds of quadrilaterals. This is the T diagram showing the kinds of quadrilaterals. Number 1, trapezium, then parallelogram, then kite. Further, parallelogram is classified as rhombus, rectangle and square. It means rhombus, rectangle and square are special types of parallelograms. Now the definition of these quadrilaterals. First, trapezium. A quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides is parallel is called a trapezium. This is a quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides is parallel here. AB is parallel to CD. So it is a trapezium. Now parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram because AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, so this is a parallelogram. Now rhombus, which is a parallelogram. A parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal is called a rhombus. Given figure is a rhombus as it is a parallelogram such that AB is equal to AD. These are adjacent sides which are equal. When we say adjacent sides of this parallelogram are equal and this is a parallelogram, so this side will equal to this side and this side will equal to this side. It means all the four sides become equal. So only to say that adjacent sides of this parallelogram are equal is sufficient to describe a rhombus. Now rectangle. It is also a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree. If one angle of a parallelogram is 90 degree, then other angles will also be of 90 degree by the property of parallelogram. So in a rectangle, all the angles are of 90 degree. A square, it is also a parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree. If adjacent sides of parallelogram are equal, then all sides of it becomes equal, as in case of rhombus. And here all the angles will be of 90 degree. If one angle of this parallelogram is 90 degree, then all the angles will be of 90 degree. So in a square, all the sides are of equal length and all the angles are of equal measure, which is 90 degree. Now kite. It is a special quadrilateral which has exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. One pair of consecutive sides is this and other pair of consecutive sides is this. AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. Two pairs of equal consecutive sides it has, so it is a kite. Now coming to the properties of parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisect each other. Properties of rhombus. Since rhombus is a parallelogram with adjacent sides equal, so it has all the properties of parallelogram as described in previous slide. In addition to these properties of parallelogram, in rhombus diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. These are the diagonals of this rhombus which bisect each other at 90 degree. Now properties of rectangle. Since rectangle is also a parallelogram, so it will have all the properties of a parallelogram, and in addition to these properties, in a rectangle diagonals are equal to each other. In rectangle diagonals are equal to each other. It means diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. Properties of a square. Since a square is also a parallelogram, so it will have all the properties of it. In addition to these properties, in a square diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Now properties of a kite. In a kite, diagonals are perpendicular. One diagonal bisects the other. इसमें एक डायगोनल दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करता है. दोनों ही डायगोनल एक दूसरे पर परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं. और थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी है मेजर ऑफ एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू मेजर ऑफ एंगल सी, बट मेजर ऑफ एंगल डी इज नॉट इक्वल टू मेजर ऑफ एंगल बी. इसमें टू अपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं और अदर पेयर इक्वल नहीं होता है एंगल्स का. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर understanding the quadrilaterals, which has been described in introduction part 2. Thank you for watching this video.